Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to add keyboard languages in Samsung Galaxy A05 Android mobile phone. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your settings. When you tap on settings, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here there is a option of general management. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here is a option of Samsung keyboard settings. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here at the top of the screen you can see a option of languages and types. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, there is a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here you can see a option of manage input languages. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, again a new interface you can see on your screen. Here you can see different type of languages. You can select as your type and just switch off the button which is in front of the all languages. So just switch on the button. After this you can see the language has been added, which you select has been added on your keyboard. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.